Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on today's video, and if you've been around, welcome back. So as you can tell by the title of this video, we are about to get into more of the Palo Santo ensemble from Pattern Beauty. I'm going to link up here the first time I use the product from the ensemble and what I use, but today we are going in with the leave-in conditioner and the curl mousse. So if you are interested, let's go ahead and get right on into it. So these are my results. It's been 4 days since that last clip. I know I am the worst with taking down my hair following the actual styling process, but these are the results and I am not mad at my results. I still have definition. My hair is soft, my hair is fluffy, my hair is moisturized. It's not as moisturized as it would be on like a day 1, day 2 hair, but for it to be day 4 or 5, my hair is looking good, and this could last me honestly like another 3-4 days, so I am definitely not mad at it. Now I will say I did use these same 2 products last week for a braid out, and I think I just was getting a little too ambitious. Not only did I try to do a braid out, but I also did a side part. I'm typically a middle part girl, and I think I just reached for the stars a little too hard, because when I took my hair down, my hair was not giving. It did not give what it needed to give. I went ahead and said, you know what? I'm going to revisit these same 2 products because I know for a fact that these were not going to be my final results. So I decided to stick to what I know, do my twist out, do my middle part, and here we are. I should have taken my hair down the day after, or even the day after that, but I waited 4 days. Don't judge me. I waited the 4 days, but I feel like the results are still doing what it needs to do. I feel like the results are still really, really good, and I feel like it's still a good representation of what these products can do. If it could do this on 4 or 5 day hair after it's been just sitting up under my bonnet for like that amount of time, I feel like day 1, day 2, it would be really extra popping, and that's bad. So let me know if you tried any of the Palo Santo ensemble products from Pattern Beauty. Let me know in the comments down below. Of course, I'll have all of the products linked down below so that you can go ahead and check it out for yourself, because I highly recommend this collection. I've already mentioned it before. I've already raved about it, but I prefer this scent over the original scent. Nothing wrong with the original scent. This scent is just my preference. So again, if you want to check it out, I'll have it linked down in the description box below. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out in the YouTube algorithm. And if you made it this far in the video and you are not already subscribed, you might as well go ahead and subscribe, and so that you don't miss out on the next video. And until the next one, bye.